In this tutorial I will show you brush tool symmetrical options in Adobe Photoshop. So let's jump into this. I'm in Adobe Photoshop and I'm accessing brush tool from here and symmetrical options here. So I am selecting the first option, vertical. You can see here is a symmetrical line. I can easily small or bigger the symmetry line by dragging it right or left. So I am making it little larger, say okay. Also I can make this wrap. Here wrap option is available. If I wrap, you can see that wrap points are available. Now if I can handles, if I can drag these handles right and if I make it left, you can see I can easily dragging the middle portion. So here is wrap option available. I am now painting and you can see the symmetry options. I am painting in left side and symmetry options in available here. If I want to symmetry painting in a new area, then I need to select transform. So after selecting transform symmetry, I can move this symmetry line and accepting it, and I am again make symmetry drawing. Okay, then if I want to hide symmetry line, I can hide it and you can see it is working fine. Now I am showing the symmetry line. If I want to off the symmetry painting, I need to click symmetry off and no longer symmetry line is visible and symmetry option also gone out. So these are the options. Also another options I would like to show you, that if I draw a line using pen tool, see I am drawing a line here. Now if I go to pen tool and click here, and now you can see selected part option is available now. If I click here, these lines are now what a symmetry line. So I can make any custom shapes and make it symmetry line and begin painting. Also here is grid. I can take any grid, 4 to 4, 5 to 5 grid I can choose, and wrap options also available, wrap options, and you can change any color, wrap color from here, any color. I am selecting green. Opacity you can control, always show guides. These options are available. Now I am accepting it and you can see symmetry options is working along here. Also this is vertical symmetry. I am undoing few options. Okay. So you can make it horizontal line. Okay, I am undoing it. Okay, you can see this is working. And also here is I am selecting mandala and segment count. I can any segment I count. See, you can, I am making it smaller. Okay, so that fit in this left side area. And after accepting it, if I draw, you can see I am easily drawing mandala in Adobe Photoshop. So hope you got something from this tutorial. If so, please subscribe my channel. Keep editing.